Hi everyone, tried of basic Windows 11 look. Today we are transferring your desktop with a stunning new glass start menu for the 25s2 update using powerful tool called Windhawk. I will show you how to get that silk transparent vibe for your start menu and taskbar. It's super easy to set up and make your PC look futuristic, ready to level up your customization. Let's dive in and try it right now. That's it for today's video setup. Your Windows 11 25s2 should now be looking incredibly sharp with the glass start menu. It's amazing what a few tweaks in Windhawk can do to fresh your entire desktop experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more customization tips and Windows 11 updates. Got stuck or found a cool new mode? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in next one. Happy customizing.